On the auspicious occasion of Christmas, I extend my heartiest greetings to the Christian community the world over. Jesus Christ was a messenger of God and a Messiah for the entire humanity. His message of love, brotherhood, and peace is universally acknowledged. Islam preaches equality of mankind irrespective of caste or creed. The universal message of Islam and its principles are applicable to the entire humanity. The Christian community living in Pakistan is an integral part of our society, and their role in the socio-economic development of the country is appreciated. Religious celebrations should not be restricted to merely rituals. We should practice the teaching of our religions and mold our lives with the objective to serve humanity. Let us pledge on this occasion that we will devote our energies to the welfare of our countrymen. Let us also resolve that we will defeat the forces of extremism, militancy, and sectarianism and make our region the bastion of peace and prosperity.
Let's promote Christmas by promoting minorities' right in which respect for all should be equal. Let all of us be united and raise the flag of equality, justice and peace and continue to work towards the betterment of minorities around the globe. Wish you all a very happy and safe Merry Christmas.
दुनिया भर के तमाम लोगों को आज क्रिसमस मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। हमारे क्रिसमस मैसेज भी अमन का पैगाम के बारे में होगा और हमारी कोशिश है कि पूरी दुनिया में अमन फैलाएं ताकि वाकई इस दुनिया में अमन और सुलह शांति की जगह बने।
We all know that Christmas is a time of joy when we have the hope, love, peace and joy of Christ. And at this moment I would like to bring you all the good news that in a moment like this, at the time especially of the pandemic, in a country like Pakistan, and especially in a city like Karachi, the metropolitan city, we are very fortunate that our Muslim brothers and sisters are with us in this time of great need. And they are part of our joy in this festivity, as there are many families out there who are unable to celebrate Christmas due to the situation that exists. But with the help of our Muslim brethren, we have been able to receive gifts that have enlightened the lives of countless Christians. And we would like to tell you that we are happy that in this moment we are all together. Truly, we feel the hope, we feel the joy, we feel the love and we feel the peace of Christ, not only among the Christian community, but among the whole nation as well.
I belong to a minority community in Pakistan. Being a Pakistan, I am wishing you a Merry Christmas to all of you. On the occasion of Christmas, I want to spread the message of peace, unity, love, because Jesus is light of world. God bless you.
क्रिसमस का सीज़न मैं समझता हूँ कि सिर्फ मसीहों के लिए नहीं है, पूरी दुनिया के लिए है, क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया यीशु मसीह पर ईमान लाती है।
आई प्राउडली माई सेल्फ कि मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ। यहाँ पर बड़ी आज़ादी और मोहब्बत, भाईचारा, यकानगत है और हम क्रिसमस को बड़ी आज़ादी के साथ यहाँ पर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं।
We are celebrating with the nation the feast of the nativity of our Lord Jesus Christ, Christmas. And the Christmas is a celebration where we exchange our gifts, greetings and love to everyone. This is the message of Christmas, when we share our joy, our happiness to each one of you. And this time of pandemic, when everyone is suffering, the whole world is suffering, this Christmas 2020 brings us joy, happiness and hope to all of you. I wanted to wish you a very happy Christmas.
With great bliss and immense pleasure, I thank and appreciate the effort of our Muslim brothers that they help us in our ways, in our celebrating our festivities. Their effort is a great source and strength for each one of us here, and we appreciate them in all the aspects of their life. We wish them a very happy and blissful moment, especially a festivity. We wish you all the best, and we wish you a Merry Happy Christmas.
As we are living in Pakistan, so all the brothers and sisters, they are supporting us, and it is not difficult us to celebrate Christmas in this country. So from our brothers and sisters, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
As being Pakistani Christian, I can proudly say I never faced religion discrimination. We have full freedom to celebrate the Christmas with favor and zeal. Much more the festivity and celebration, the spirit of Christmas is to share, to reach out and to love all humanity. Jesus Christ brought and preached the message of peace, brotherhood and love for the whole humanity. We should follow his message. May this Christmas bring light and peace to the minorities around the world. Wish you all a great and happy Merry Christmas.